Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it is starting to get warm, and you got to make sure your garden stays hydrated.
And this STYDDI 18-inch watering wand makes that so much easier. It is such a simple design, is easy to install. I love the wide nozzle head and the attachment with the easy accessible handle to turn it on and off, with the head being adjustable to go into any direction. You have so much a variety of different spray methods to really take care of anything you need in the garden or in your yard. When you are gardening or landscaping, it is very easy to get really dirty. So it's great to have that quick access to wash my hands and then to turn around and water my plants. The long handle makes easy access to get further, and the mist is perfect for keeping the roots moist before I'm able to plant. And like I said, it's easy to get really dirty, so you just go through all of the options until you get to the one that you need. The jet is perfect for cleaning off the mud off of my boots, and then easily then switching to the shower mist to clean off my hands. I like to also be able to point it up so I can simulate the feeling of rain. And that switch is right there by your thumb to easily turn it off when you're done.
And that's my point of view.